Hi, this is Janossy. I've gotten some questions about how to copy material from the screen off into a Word document, and I thought I would just demonstrate this for you by tuning into Blackboard. This is a course that I have conducted in the past. I've got some information I typed into Blackboard here, and it's in various items that I've posted, but I'd like to copy this off so I can preserve it, have a record of it, perhaps copy and paste parts of it into Desire to Learn, the system we're moving to. I'm just going to hold my left mouse button down and I'm going to highlight everything I want to copy. Then I'm going to do Edit and Copy, or I could have done Control C. Then I've got to go into a program like this, Notepad, which is a very dumb text editor. It's not really a word processor. Notepad doesn't have any smarts to deal with formatting that actually exists in this text to set fonts and sizes and bold and all the rest of it. It doesn't have anything in that will deal with all that complex formatting at all. Now, if I edit paste into this, I get just plain text. This is actually what you want. Depending on the way how things are stored in HTML and tables and such, you might get a really awkward arrangement if you just copied as I did and then pasted it directly into Word. Now I'm going to hold the left mouse button down, highlight all of this. Sometimes Edit has a Select All, which does it for you even better. Then I've got to say Edit Copy, and now I'm going to go into Word. So let me go into Word. Here's a blank document. And if I copy into this, and I'm just going to do Control V to drop it in here, now I get a very clean copy of things. And here I may have to do some cleanup, such as I'm doing now on the spacing, taking out some lines and leaving spaces that might have crept in somehow. But that's just a minor type of cleanup that you have to do. And now you can take this and do anything you want to it, and you won't be hampered by having to worry about formatting that you may have a very difficult time dealing with had this come in as HTML that you had copied from the screen. Anyway, you can save this now. If I saved it, save it as, and I could name it any document I want to, save it as a Word document. And now I can go ahead and do whatever I want to do with this. If I close it, I can close out of this as well. But now if I go back into that document, and let's go back into my documents, I can find it quickly by sorting on the date modified, because it's the most recent document I just saved. And when I open it up, it will open up as I stored it just as plain text. Now I could apply any kind of a style sheet to this, and by doing that I would be able to format things. Let's change the style set here so that now let's change the style set. If I do something like formal and then I change into a heading, I can do whatever I want to with the style sheet. This will save you a lot of grief in copying things from Blackboard or from any other source on the screen. Run it through a simple text editor like Notepad first, then copy and paste it into Word, and you'll be far ahead in dealing with anything that you transfer from the screen into a document. Hope this is helpful. Bye-bye.